guys, back with another video here, and today I finally got my Pixel 6 Pro. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. So don't need knives anymore, they just have these easy little peel stickers here. So alright, so yeah, this is pretty glossy. Here's my S21 Ultra right next to it. Of course, I got the case on that one. Yeah, it's not that much difference in size when you look at it like that. It's not that much difference, but let's see what else we got in the box here real quick. So, no charger, of course. You get a Type-C. You get your transfer, micro to Type-C, and you get a start guide. Don't need that. All right. So now that you guys see what's in the box, let's move on to the phone itself. Got everything connected. It's on Google Fi. Just playing around with it a little bit. So yeah, this back is super slippery. And I mean, dude, it's super slippery. Definitely gonna need a case for this back. I would not recommend walking around with this thing without a case, because it's just putting the screen protector on, which is what this is. I went ahead and put it on while the screen is already clean and to get it out of the way. But the display is nice. It is eating up battery because it came out the box with 40%. By the time I put the screen protector on, went back to it, played around, and I'm still downloading a lot of apps. It had got down to like 20% that quick. So, I don't know when it comes to battery. We will see. You know, I got to test it. I just got it. Got to get used to it. It's got to get used to the way I use it. Luckily, I carry two devices, so normally battery is never an issue. But Material U, got all that hooked on, as you can see, hooked up as you can see. But it's not bad overall. So far, I'm liking what I'm seeing. With the 120 hertz display. I'll show you guys a quick video. I probably will be going on a trip tomorrow, and I'll be able to give you some real world when you first get it. But I want to show you guys this display. It's pretty nice, and we're on 4K. So here's what that looks like. I don't have the brightness all the way up. Got it to about 80% right there. Yeah, this is something I gotta get used to because the layout's a little different than what I'm accustomed to. But yeah, so that's what that looks like. As far as the speakers and stuff goes, you know, a lot of the stuff that you guys hear about this phone or heard about this phone with the in-screen fingerprint reader, it is slower than like the S21 or the Huawei, any of those. It is much slower. Put my pen in real quick. You know, it's not quick. I can tell you that. You know, you got to keep your hand on. It's not like the other ones where you can just tap and it opens real quick. This one, you got to keep your hand on it and let it go through its thing. It's not that big a deal. It's just something that you got to get accustomed to. If you're used to the flagships where you just touch it, boom, and it opens. That's, you know, that's the biggest deal with that. But like I said, tomorrow I can put it through its paces tomorrow, going on a trip, so you guys will be able to see real world how the battery is, the photos during the day. I'll probably try to do a little bit of astrophotography one night next week. And then coming up also is going to be camera comparison between this and my Pixel 5a 5G to see if you guys can tell the difference between the two. So those are things that are upcoming, but tomorrow is going to be the real world test out with this thing, full charge when I leave in the morning, when I get back, photos, videos, and let's see how that battery does. It's probably going to be adaptive. You got to get used to the way I use it, but we'll see tomorrow. But other than that, guys, that is just the unboxing of the Pixel 6 Pro. So far, I'm liking it. I just wish I had my case. I ordered two different cases. One is coming from Amazon and one is coming from Google, because this came from Google. So this is a completely unlocked device, and I just put my Google Fi SIM in it, and I'm connected with Google Fi, but it's still Android. So like my Pixel 5, all I did was just copy everything I already had on my Pixel 5 and put it on here, and that's pretty much it, man. So I will tell you guys, as soon as you get it, make sure you put a screen protector on it, and if you got a case, make sure you put that case on, because you can see this is going to be a fingerprint magnet right here. But all right guys, that's going to be it. I appreciate everybody watching as always. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.